Alison. I'm the Programs, Outreach, and Youth Services Manager here at Monterey County Free Libraries. Thank you for joining me today for another episode of Backyard Science. Today I'm going to talk to you about redwood trees. Recently I was on a trip to the Russian River and there were a ton of redwood trees, and I'm always so impressed by how tall redwood trees are. But something that really caught my mind and inspired me to do this video were a lot of the redwood trees in the neighborhood where we were staying were cut down, and I'm not sure if that was due to age or what the reason for the trees being cut down was, but what remained were these stumps that had new growth coming out of them. So there were new trees, new plants all growing out of these big redwood stumps. And I saw so many that I'll show you at the end of this video while we were on the trip that it got me really curious about what the process is for redwood trees growing these new plants from the stumps. So what I discovered is that tree stumps can grow new plants, new trees, because the roots are still intact. So one thing about redwood trees is they have these really intricate and deep root systems. These roots go really far into the ground, but they also connect and intertwine with other redwood trees near them, which is one of the reasons why they're so strong against wind and other elements, because they have this network of roots that helps to keep them up and stable. So when a tree gets cut down for whatever reason, or knocked down, or splits from age or whatever it might be, and the stump is left behind, that root network is still there, which provides a really stable growth unit for new trees. So these are called stump sprouts, and when you see a bunch, maybe 3 or 4 in a row or in a circle that are growing on the same stump, this can be called a fairy ring, which I thought was really cute. In general, redwood trees are among the tallest plants in the entire world. They can get to be 372 feet. They are also among the oldest plants in the world. There are fossils of redwood trees found worldwide. They were around, way back when the dinosaurs were around. There used to be over 40 different types of redwood trees, but now there are only 3 types. There are coast, sequoias, and dawn redwoods. They are resistant to rot, and for this reason they were used as a source of timber. Unfortunately, they were overforested, and now there's only about 5% of old growth redwood trees left because they were so heavily decimated in the timber industry. They like to grow in moist soil and rainy areas, and their leaves can actually drink water from fog and from rain. So that's why you'll find them in those kinds of foggy climates. Their leaves also pull in more carbon dioxide than any other plant, so they're very important for helping keep the air clean. In addition, at least 1,700 different types of animals use redwood trees for food or shelter. So as you can see, they're very important to our ecosystem and just really cool. For this video, I used a few books to help me do my research. I used this one called Redwood Trees by John F. Prevost. I also used this big book called Redwoods, the World's Largest Trees by Jeremy Joan Hughes. And lastly, I used Remarkable Trees of the World by Thomas Pickenham. And all 3 of these books are available in our collection if you want to learn more about redwood trees. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time on Backyard Science. Goodbye, everybody.